Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about iOS 15 that Apple announced in WWDC 21 conference 2 days ago. There were a lot of new features they are introducing in iOS 15. There were a lot of features that I absolutely like. And those are the features that I always was looking forward that when is Apple going to have those kind of features, because they were mostly like quality of life improvement features. One feature that I'm particularly very excited about is the live text feature that they have introduced for photos. What that really means is that this feature allows all the text that you will have in a photo to become active, and you can use that text from the photo itself just as text. And this is one of the things that I always wanted to have. Think about some use cases that I can talk about. One of the use cases that I always had is that sometime I have some kind of an error message that I want to share with somebody. What are my options? Means like when I have these errors on my phone, I take the screenshot, then I have to send the screenshot to the person who I want this message to share with. Now see a few problems that we have. The screenshot, the image that the phone takes, is pretty large. When you send it, it's going to consume your data plan, depending on you are roaming at home, you're using your Wi-Fi. It's going to take some time. And then the person who is receiving that message, it's going to cause consumption of their data plan. And depending on where they are or where they are not, they may have turned off this feature. So, what is the simplest way to do it? If all that you really wanted to send is text, then just send the text. I don't have to send the whole photo. So, how does this really work? So, you don't have to start with a new photo. You can actually work with the existing photos. So I will show you from an existing photo, which is my favorite use case. So as you can see from the screen, I had an error when I was trying to set up the phone that I use for my work as well, that I was trying to do something, and then I ran into some error. Now I have to share this, just the pop-up that came up. I don't have to share the whole screen. How does this work? So if you look at right there at the bottom right, there is a little new icon that has appeared. I personally don't like the way this icon looks, and because a lot of time you will just miss it. So when you click on it, what will happen is that now you can see that every single text on this picture has become active. If I really want to copy this everything that became active, all I have to do is keep my fingers pressed and then I can copy it. If not, other option that I have is I can keep my finger pressed on at the start, move my finger and select all the text that I really want to copy and say copy. That's all I have to do. And the text that I have got copied. Now I need to send this. Let's send it by my mail. We are testing it. And since I already have the text with me, I'm going to say paste. As you can see, every single text item that I selected from the photo got copied here. All now I really have to do is just send it. So pretty simple, pretty easy. That's all I had to do, is get the live text feature to work. So I just showed it to you from the picture that I already had. You can actually do it as you're taking pictures. Usually this happens to me when I'm outside and I have to send somebody the name of the product that I'm looking at. I get a message, can you take a picture of it and send it to me so I can see what it is. In reality, that I really want to send is, that is the name of the product, And so now I can take a picture and just send the name of the product. I don't have to send the whole picture. I hope you find it useful, and I hope you will use this feature and are excited as much as I am. Till next time, bye bye.